had a charger last night.
Hey.
What are you looking at?
You know, I've never seen anyone so lost before.
Yeah, whatever.
Looking for this?
Why being so childish? What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with you? You're more concerned about your phone running out of batteries than how hurt I am.
Well, that was only because I was doing something important, okay?
Like what? Checking how many likes you have on Instagram?
Can I just have my charger back now?
Fine. But on one condition.
What?
Still owe me a date.
Wait, what? Wait! Where are you taking me?
I don't know. Must everything have a plan? Sometimes the best things in life you don't see coming.
What's this mysterious side of you?
I don't know, but you like it, right?
Whatever.
I took them 'cause I need you. I took them to be mine. I took them so you miss them, so you'd want them back in time.
Yeah, I have to admit, you're right. It was pretty fun. I guess sometimes the best things in life are the ones you never see coming.
And the most beautiful things in life can't be touched or seen. It's felt by the heart.
That's from...
Little Prince.
So can I have my charger back now?
Here, wait.
What now?
One more picture, please.
Fine. Hey, look at what my...
Hey, I've missed you.